Welcome to MTH Health, your go-to source for everything related to health and wellness. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Brazilian bikini sugaring and lower body waxing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, we've got you covered with tips and tricks to make your experience smoother and more comfortable. Let's start with preparation. First, it's crucial to clean your skin thoroughly to remove any oils and dirt. This step ensures the wax adheres properly. Next, apply a light powder, like talcum powder, to absorb moisture. This will help the wax grip better, making the process more effective. Now let's talk about the wax. Use a spatula or stick to scoop out the wax carefully. Make sure it's at the right temperature, not too hot to avoid burns and not too cold so it sticks well to your skin. Finding the right balance is key. Next up, applying the wax. Spread the wax in the direction of hair growth. This makes it easier to remove hair from the root later on. Press it onto your skin firmly, ensuring it adheres to the hair properly for the best results. Now it's time for the fun part, removing the wax. Place a strip over the wax and smooth it down. Hold your skin taut with one hand to minimize discomfort, then pull the strip off quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Remember to keep it close to the skin for the best results and to reduce pain. After waxing, clean the area and apply a light moisturizer or aloe vera gel to soothe any irritation. If you notice redness or discomfort, consider using a cooling gel or an ice pack. And remember, wearing loose clothing afterward will allow your skin to breathe and recover. And that's it. You're now ready to tackle Brazilian bikini sugaring and lower body waxing with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips from MTH Health. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.